Hey YouTube, Dark Magician of Team Sorcerers here, and I'm here once again using, I can't even see it properly, this camera right here that I bought in late July, early October. So, here's the deal. I think I might have my camera issues sorted, but not in the way I thought I would. Let me just set it down over here. Okay. Now, I did pick up that camera off Max B. Here it is right here. But I had some issues regarding memory cards. For some reason, it's just not accepting any of my memory cards. Like, I tried to reformat them, but it didn't do anything. So I then went and bought another one, which I thought would work with that camera. I have to show you a picture because the one I bought is currently inside the camera. I probably can't even see it very well. Like, yeah, the camera doesn't really do it justice. Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to see that properly. No, that's annoying. Maybe I'll just stick the picture in the video. I don't know. So I tried it with that camera. It didn't work either, even when I tried to reformat it. So I tried the memory card with the cameras I'm using here and this camera, and it seems to work fine, because it's not giving me that error message that this one did, which is what was it? The card's not supported, or something like that. I don't know. So it's really annoying, but it seems to be working fine on this one and the other one. But I'm going to be using this one, I think. I mean, I did do a test video with this camera beforehand, and it seemed to work fine. It transferred over to my Mac okay, and obviously when I had this camera before, it was able to transfer video data to the PC. But I have had some feedback that the audio on this one is really quiet, but I think I can simply fix that problem with my video editing program, just increase the volume of the audio, no problem, problem solved. Regardless, I do have a proper working camera again. So hopefully it'll hold out, and hopefully I'll be able to have one or more videos that will go for longer than 20 or 25 minutes without the memory filling up. Like, I don't know why that happened before. It's so confusing. Maybe it has something to do with the memory card that I normally use. I don't know. I'm not a technical whiz kid. I mean, just because I use cameras and memory cards doesn't mean I know how they work. But of course, if that problem does happen again, I've still got my iPad for backup. But I just wanted to have a working camera again, because it can be really awkward recording with that and transferring videos to the Mac. I mean, it's fine if I'm here because I can put them on the PC, no problem, but it's just awkward transferring videos from the Mac to my Apple Mac thing. It's really annoying and awkward. As whenever I've been around Express Gaming's place recently, I had to basically airdrop the videos, which took a ridiculously long time, and by the time they would transfer over, it would be really late at night and we'd all need to go to sleep, and I wouldn't be able to do any video editing and uploading until I returned home. So yeah, again, like I said, hopefully the camera issues are sorted, but of course, if all else fails, there is a plan to get the exact same camera that Weber's 5 has. I did get a photo of it. Here we are. So it's similar to what I've been using for about 4 years or so. The 3 different ones which ended up malfunctioning, mainly due to a shutter problem. I assume that one has a shutter, but hopefully it won't come to that, because after having that problem 3 times, I don't do shutters anymore. Of course, I'll make an exception if need be. It would be nice to be able to use this camera right here, but I do have one issue with that, and that is I've lost the USB cable that comes with it, which means I'm not able to charge it, or, well, I was going to say, or put videos onto a computer, but I can do that if I put the memory card into my regular laptop. Although I'm still having issues with that, which I'll talk about momentarily. But yeah, as for this camera right here, I've misplaced the USB cable. Like, I don't know where it's gone, and none of my other USB cables work with it. Now, you're probably not going to be able to see it well, but how am I going to do this? Yeah, this hole right here is the USB slot. Why did the battery icon flash red? Yeah, I don't think you can see it very well. I did get a picture of that as well, just in case. Whoa, that was weird. But yeah, that's basically it. Actually, is there a... Hang on, let me just flip the photo round. There we go, hopefully you can see it better. But yeah, again, it's this small slot right here. And none of my other USB cables fit it, so if any of you guys know what kind of USB cable that camera requires, do let me know in the comments down below, or message me through Instagram if need be, or any of my Facebook friends that are watching, just message me on Facebook about it, because I would really like to use this one as well, purely because it was a present. But as for the laptop. Let me just bring it out. Yeah, this is the one that's having issues, which I think I brought up before, and that is that it keeps turning itself off randomly. See, what happens is, like, I'll be using it, then the screen goes black and it's still running, and then it turns itself off. And I don't know why that is. So I turn it back on and then it's working perfectly fine. See, I could just not use it, because I do have my PC, I do have the Mac, but the thing is though, I still need this laptop because it has a slot for memory cards, and I kind of need that to transfer over video data if need be, or video files rather, and use it for YGO Pro games. So yeah, I'd really like to be able to fix that problem. I think at some point I'm going to have to get my good friend Derek, Del's Logos 3D Printing, to have a look at it again. I mean, it has been encouraged by family that I look up tutorials on how to fix these things, but it just seems so complicated and overwhelming, like just learning how computers work and how to fix them. Yeah, I mean, again, just because I use them a lot doesn't mean I know how they work. I don't know, it's just easier for me to get someone else to have a look at it and fix it. I mean, maybe it sounds kind of lazy, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, that's what I wanted to fill you guys in on. Thankfully, for the time being, got this camera working with a pretty good memory card by the looks of it. And I'm going to try it out later because I'm going to be having some Skype duels with Express Gaming later on, so stay tuned for that. As we're hoping to finish off the raid boss battle. Excuse me. Still kind of funny how the second one finished before the first one. So yeah. Cyburst, Random All-Stars, Magician Girls and Dark Magician are left to face off against Cosmo. So, hope you guys are looking forward to that. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I will see you later. Take care, guys.